All right, back again for another SBAC review question. So for this one, it says, part of a multiplication table is shown. What two numbers correctly completes the pattern in the table? Enter your answers in the table. All right, so what I might do is I'm going to look at the patterns for each of these rows to figure out what the pattern will be for these two missing numbers. So if I look at the first row, I'm going to use a different color. If I look at the first row, I see 8, then 9, then 10, then 11. I know that it's jumping by ones. And then I'm going to look at the second row. Let's see, for the second row it says, let's use a different color this time. I have 16, and then I have 18, then 20, then 22. It seems the pattern here is by twos. And then I want to just check before I go to the third row. I think that the pattern might be, so these are ones, these are twos, this might be threes, but I just want to double check. So I'm going to go to the last row and see if this is fours. So if this is fours, then this row would be threes. So again, I'm going to just use a different color. Let's use orange this time. 32, then 36, then 36, then 40, then 44. Well, I know it seems like it's adding, again, it is going by fours. So that's plus 4, and then plus 4 here, and then another plus 4. Okay, so then that must mean that this third row is going by threes. So I'm gonna pick, let's pick this grayish color. And so 24 plus 3 would give me 27, and 27 plus 3 would give me 30. So then my missing numbers were 27 and 30 because it was counting by threes. Now it's your turn. Try to solve on your own.